In this video, we're going to take a really quick look at how you can hide columns in Excel. So we've got some sales data here that goes from 2018 through to 2021, broken out by individual quarter, Q1 to Q4, and we've also got the total row and the total column here. Now, let's say we're not interested in showing the individual quarters, we just want the totals, but we don't want to delete the individual quarters. So to hide these columns, what we can do is highlight over them like that, right click and then hide, and it's as simple as that. And I'm just going to bring these back with Control Z. Something else to be aware of when hiding columns is that you can do this via the ribbon at the top. So in the home ribbon, the format menu, we go to visibility, hide and unhide, and then you'll see there we can just hide these columns just like that. So that's two ways you can hide columns in Excel. As you can see, really easy and quick to do. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.